one of many moons of Jupiter. Its surface can get as cold as to minus 223 degrees Celsius. It may be slightly smaller than Earth's moon, but surprisingly, Europa's oceans would have twice the amount of water as the water on Earth. Europa also happens to have energy and chemistry provided by its tidal heating, which are the minimal requirements needed for life. Even NASA has said that Europa may be one of the best places for life. There are already a few missions going to Europa, like NASA's Clipper and also NASA's Ambitious. This moon's life would be held under its thick 20-kilometer layer of ice in what is thought to be a subsurface ocean. Finding life outside of Earth would strongly deepen our understanding of the universe, help us figure out where else to look for more life, and answer the question, are we alone? My mission is to send an unmanned lander that will have a rover, a charging station for the rover when it gets low on energy, and an ice drill on the lander in order to get through the ice. Europa, or to prove whether or not there is a subsurface ocean and whether or not there is any life inside of that ocean. It would take roughly 6 years to get to Europa. When the lander enters the atmosphere, it will deploy multiple parachutes. It will deploy multiple parachutes and ignite rockets to slow down the lander, not shoot them, but and land safely on the surface. You may be wondering how we'll lead how we will get into Europa's ocean. NASA's Hubble in 2013 discovered evidence of water plumes that lead directly into Europa's ocean so that we can get through the ice. And remember that ice drill that I was talking about earlier? Well, if the water plumes aren't wide enough, or if there are no water plumes, which is unlikely, you'll still have an ice drill with the lander that can drill through the ice, like this one here, which is one that was used in Antarctica to get through a 2-mile layer of ice to get to an underwater ocean. The rover will be able to move in water and on land, having 2 large wheels with literal ridges in the wheels, and it will have 2 other retractable wheels on it when it wants to move on land. It will be powered by solar energy collected from the solar panels of this spaceship sending it. My mission and stakeholders will include NASA, SpaceX, and Virgin Galactic. NASA will be controlling it and making the designs of the spaceship, or the lander. SpaceX and Virgin Galactic will both fund it, as well as NASA, and build it. I will be sending my lander to Europa around 2020. Its current technology for an ice drill to drill 20 to 30 kilometers under a thick ice drill does not exist, although we do already have ice drills like the Antarctic one. Let's quickly sum up my mission to Europa. I'll send a lander with a rover to find life on Europa and send the information back to Earth. 55 years ago, we made it to a moon 384,400 kilometers away. Now let's make it to a moon 300,000 kilometers away.